Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your country on Qatar Airways account. So first, we're going to go to the Qatar Airways app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the three dots on the top right corner. Then here, you're going to click on App Settings. Then you're going to click on Country or Region. So now you guys can find it in the following list. You can scroll downwards and find the country you want. As you can see, it supports a lot of countries. Basically, most of the countries are included there. Then I chose United Kingdom, for example. Then now, as you can see, your country has been changed. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.